All right, so in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how to sell classrooms separately in Skool. So I want to just take you through this in a very simple way and show you exactly what to do and how we're using it to create success, get people to buy different classrooms, and it just makes your life easier. Now, I have heard that Skool has on their basic timeline of things that they're going to be innovating and integrating into Skool, and they said that they will be opening schools in opening the classrooms in a separate way so that you can actually charge differently for each classroom. But in the meantime, this is a very simple workaround, and I think you're going to love it. Get this put here. Okay. So the current situation here is basically you're trying to charge different prices for different classrooms inside of your Skool community, but that's not really easy to do right now because the roadblock is Skool only offers one price option, and it's only for a subscription style type payment method. And our desired situation would be to use a free Skool that also has paid options, which I'm doing. And you'd also want to probably use a paid Skool with more paid options, which I'm also doing. And so the solution is to use a combination of Stripe payment links and Loom video button links. So let's take a look at that. You're going to basically take people from Skool. They're going to use your Stripe payment link, and then you're going to use Loom. So after they purchase from the Stripe payment link, they will be automatically redirected to a Loom video where you can essentially welcome them and congratulate them and give them instructions on what to do next. And I'm going to show all of this to you right now. So let's look at the Skool option. So in the Skool option, you can put links over here. Let me see if you can see this a little better if I use my pen. Over here, you can put links, and you can customize these. You can put 3 of them there. And you can also put them inside of your classroom and inside of the calendar, which I think it's easier if I just go over there and show you this. So when you're inside of your Skool, let me go to this one. When you're inside of your Skool, you can come right here and you can put these links. And when they click on these, let me get this out of the way here. You can go into Stripe and you can set up all these different payment links, okay? So before we get into how to do that, I just want to show you this. So you can put links here. All you have to do is go to Settings and then click on Links, and then you can add links. You can add up to 3 links here, and you can, when you're doing them, you can make them public so that everybody can see them, or you can make it so only members can see that. And then you just stick your your Stripe payment links just right inside of here, and then you can save that. I put a little emojis here, and then on your About page, you can also put something like a picture that shows that there's payment links here. You can also create videos that will show them how to use those payment links. So it's very simple. People use it. We haven't had any trouble with it. You can also go into the calendar here, and when you put something into the calendar, you can choose this link option right here, and then you could put a link there for something. Maybe you want to charge for a workshop or something like that. You can also change it so that only people at a certain level can see your calendar and get access to it. And only people that are in a certain course, you could set it up for that, and then you could choose the different courses in your classroom or the different classrooms in your classroom. And then you can just create a reminder, and people can send that. I'll talk about the calendar and other training, but this is just about the payment links. You can also, inside of your classroom, put different payment links as well. So like when I put my TikTok live replays in here, what I do is I put down below, I put a link right here where they can join, and they can figure out, if they want to join the pocket coaching. And I just put a little call to action here, and then each of these have links in it. So they can click it and it goes to this payment link. And then if they sign up, then after that, I have it automatically redirect them to a Loom video where I put a button in the Loom video that has a link, which I'll show you, and then that takes them to where they need to go. Okay, so again, I'll show you that in just a moment. I'm just showing you that when you go to edit the classroom, there's this link button right here. Or if you already have a link, like for instance, if I had this link here, I could just highlight something and click Command V, and that would paste it and make a link out of it. All right. And then when you're done, you just save it. You can also come down here in the classroom and you can add a resource link. I'll show you how I'm using that. So in my pocket coaching, I have links down in the resources of my different pocket coachings. Okay, so in this video, I showed how to email a video in an email, but down here, you can add all kinds of links down here. You can also, in the community, you could create a post, for instance, where you could have it all of our products or something to that effect, and then you could link to all of your products here. You could also create posts for each product, and then you could add a video that talks about the product, and then you could add a link there, and that link could simply just open up the same type of payment page, the Stripe payment page. So you can actually do a lot of different things here, and this is just my free community. Over in my paid community, I do the same thing. You can also you could take that post that I just showed you and you could put a link to that post, because if you click on any post, I'll just use Chuck's here. Congratulations to him. He woke up to his first lifetime membership. He had somebody, he's doing this. And I told him that in the auto DM feature, when somebody joins his program, he could put a upsell in there to join his lifetime membership. So people joined his free community, and then in the auto DM, he just put a link to join his lifetime membership, and somebody took him up on that. So that's awesome. But you could have a post like this. You could title it My Products. You could have all these links in here to your products. And then you could also take this link up here, and you could make it one of these links over here that just says all of our products. And when they click on that, it would go to that post that would have the links that would take them to either other posts, or it would take them straight to the payment pages where they could sign up. So there's that. Now, how we go about the next phase is then going and using Stripe to set these payment links up. So inside of Stripe, what I did here is you can see I've got all kinds of different links. I've got links for $4,900. I've got links for $19.97, $6.97. You can create all types of payment links inside of Stripe. And then at any time, you could come over here and click this little button right here, and it would copy that link for you. Or you could just click in this box, copy it, and then paste it wherever you want. From there, it will, to create that link, when you go into Stripe, on the left-hand side, you would just click Payment Links, and then you could come up here and create a new payment link. When you click that button, it will take you to a page that looks like this, and you simply can come in here and you can add a new product. When you add a new product, it lets you put the name of it, it lets you put a picture of it and a description of it. It lets you put whether it needs to be recurring or a one-time payment, and then you can choose to choose the price that you want to put in there. So that's very simple. Then you'll see right here, you can click After Payment, and it will take you to the After Payment option page, which is this one. And in this option, you can see I just pasted a Loom video link. So instead of just showing the confirmation page right here, I'll get my pen. Instead of just showing the confirmation page right here, I chose to redirect my customers to a website. And instead of a website, because I'm not using websites, I'm strictly using Skool, I'm just sending them to a Loom video. So let me explain what I do with the Loom video, since that's the next step here. So with the Loom video, basically what I'm doing is, right now I'm using Loom to show this to you. But the Loom video, I can talk to my person afterwards and I can say, hey, congratulations on joining Make Once Pro. All you have to do is just, it's over here actually. All you have to do, it's going to be to your, if you're looking at your camera like I am, it's going to be like to your left shoulder, and it's going to be, that payment link will appear about right here. You could also make it appear about right here, or you could have it appear, sorry, it's kind of hard, over here. You can do the corners essentially. But you could just be like, all you have to do is press this payment link right here, or sorry, I basically say, welcome to Make Once Pro, congratulations. Now what you want to do is you want to go join our community, and what I do is I actually move this down, and then I show them my actual community. I'll typically go like this. I'll say, all you have to do is join our free community, and then once you join, all you have to do is hover over my head, and then you can simply just send me a message and send me the email that you used to get started. And you could also automate this using Zapier, but some people don't want to mess with that or pay extra for Zapier. So all you have to do here, which, it's not a big deal. Your business pays for it anyway. But, you can not have to pay for that, and you'll just simply get a message. I'm in here working and checking on my community all the time anyway. But what I do is I grab the link to this About page right here, and this is the link right here that I put inside of the Loom video. So I copy this link, and then inside of Loom, I come over here and I click Edit the Link. And I put that About link right here. I put Create Your Profile. I put the button in the top right in this, in this case. And I put in here Create Your Profile. And I put a little emoji right here, emoticon or whatever it's called. That way it kind of sticks out a little bit. And then you can change the font color. I just think that something that's bright, like, yellow button with black font or red button with white font. And then, I save that. And so in this video, let me save that. I just simply, you can see in the video, I hate to actually, and once you click that link like that, and then when they click this button, it just takes them, it's cool, they can click the button inside the video, it takes them here, then they can hover over me, and they can send me they can just click chat here, and then I just have them send me their email. And then all I do from there is I take them and add them to the program. It's very simple. So these next steps, that's how Loom works, okay? And then the final step is, like I said, once they message me, I simply go over to the program and I click this down here. Let me point this out for you. I click this right here, and when you click that, then I add their email in here that they gave me in the DM, and then I just click on the blue courses down here, and then I just select, in this case, in this example, this is the Pocket Coaching. I just select the Pocket Coaching and then click Save, and then they get access to everything. So it's really simple. I don't have to worry about doing any kind of tech automation stuff. This is all within Skool, and I'll even show you where you would do the invite at. So when you're inside of Skool, you just go to Members, and you can either click on a member and you can just add it that way. Like if you click on membership here, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to show people's emails or anything. But if you click on membership right here, actually I think I can. If you click on membership here, you can go to courses. and then you could click down here and then you could select what they get, or you can do the invite, like I showed you how to do. But you would also, because they would, if somebody bought the Pro here, like if they click on this, you can see that it says, Make Once Pro lifetime special. And then when they pay, I like the payment links too, because I didn't even mention this. You can use like Klarna. So I can charge $597 here. They can still pay 4 payments of $149, and then I get the full $597. And I'm actually, right now I'm getting ready to increase the price from $597. Starting March 1st, it's going to go to $997, but you get lifetime access. And then in this description right here, you can put, get detailed premium training. I go live with them twice a week, and then they get the private 24/7 Zoom support or community support, and they get detailed training and all that stuff. But what I like about it is when you do this, they can still, if they qualify for it, they can do the 4 payments of $149, but I get the $597 right away, and then Klarna takes care of getting the payments and all of that stuff. But I'm moving this up to $997 because they're still going to get a heck of a deal, but I get the $997 right away. So there's some of the coolness of using like a Stripe payment link. I know that, like I said, Skool has in the works that they're going to be adding this so that, and I actually think some of our members said it here in the classroom, but I'll just go over here. I think inside of the Pro, inside of Make Once Pro here, they were actually talking about this. So I'll show this to you real quick. I believe it's right here, yes. So Kevin here, they're going to set it up to where you'll be able to, inside of the classroom, click like learn more, and then it'll probably open up a payment page for that. But in the meantime, until they, do that, this is the workaround for it. So I actually had the guys tag me in the post, but basically Sam said that, yeah, I'm going to do it. But then inside of your classrooms, you can have different classrooms here, and you can have them open up, different prices. And it's an easy way to do it. And you don't have to worry about automation. You don't have to have a website. And what I really like about using the Loom feature is the fact that you can stick this, if I can get it right, you can stick that button right there, and you can link them to wherever you want. So when you use the combination of that, it's really, really powerful. And, you can just set that link up right here inside of Loom. It's so simple. It's so easy. And that is how you do that. So hopefully now you can set up and sell classrooms separately. You can sell workshops. I've done it to sell workshops. I've done it to sell individual private coaching. I've done it for upsells. And then when you use the combination of Stripe and Loom, it just makes it real simple. I get a message, I go invite them, I'm done in like less than a minute, and I can charge whatever I want. So I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, just ask them below or hit me up in our free classroom. I'll be sure to help you. And this Skool is making it so easy. We use this simple combination of things. We can sell the classrooms, and it's really awesome. So I hope you take advantage of this, and I'll see you in the next video.